Hi, it's me, Natalie,
Hey, Melissa.
from Palm Beach Jewelry, and we are here to talk about our super sparkly, extravagant Diamond Ultra collection. Our Diamond Ultra cubic zirconias are super sparkly, and they aren't just any plain old cubic zirconia. They are fabulous. So I'd like to start with our gorgeous, beautiful bridal sets. And well, actually I have some bridal sets in here, and we have some engagement rings in here. What do you think, Melissa? Do you have any favorites?
Oh, love this one. Oh, love them all, but yeah, that one's super sparkly.
Yeah, these are super sparkly and they look like the real deal. So girls, if you don't have that ring of your dream, definitely I think you could find one right in here. Pave has been extremely hot, and right over here we have this gorgeous Pave crystal bangle bracelet, and it just really made fabulously. Has a gorgeous detailed undercage. I know, Melissa, you want to wear that one.
Oh, love it. It's heavy, it's substantial, it's gorgeous. You can wear it any time of day, night, just fun.
I mean, I would love to have that bracelet. And also, we have this gorgeous butterfly ring. I just think, you know, it's very whimsical and just very butterfly-y.
Butterflies are hot.
Very hot. And also, we have these gorgeous, these are huggy earrings. They're a large huggy, and they're Pave cubic zirconia, Diamond Ultra cubic zirconia, inside and out. These are inside out hoops, and they're just really easy. They clip in. They're super light, super comfortable, and I must wear these.
They show up great in your long hair too. I like them.
Yeah, and they look good with basic black and just very classic piece. Aside from the fabulous bracelet Melissa's wearing, one of my other favorites is this gorgeous 3-row sterling silver. It's actually platinum plated, platinum over sterling silver, and Diamond Ultra 3-row. Fabulous bracelet. It's very modern, and it would, you know, be great look for a bride to wear on her wedding day. Okay, a lot of these rings are Pave, which is super duper hot right now. These are all sterling silver, and this is like an awesome Pave cube ring, which would, you know, go great with that Pave bracelet. Hey, you have, it looks like you have a free hand. Now put that on. Let's put that on your other finger.
Bling.
Bling. Let's bling you out. So we have these fabulous rings. This is a 3-piece ribbon ring, and I have this eternity band, which is also absolutely fabulous and very elegant, and that is Diamond Ultra and sterling silver layered in platinum, and these are a few of my favorite things.
Natalie, tell me about these necklaces. I can't even believe that this is a CZ.
I know, it's a fabulous, gorgeous teardrop or pear-shaped CZ, and it's just, I don't know, I think it's like a very elegant, very classic necklace if you had a black tie event, or if you were in a wedding, or, you know, even the bride could wear it. You know, who said you just have to wear pearls? And another necklace, yeah, that is the Circle of Life. I'm sure you've all seen people wearing these circle necklaces. Well, this is like just a fabulous deal. Once again, it's sterling silver layered in platinum, and our super fabulous sparkly Diamond Ultra cubic zirconias.
I have that one. I love it.
One of our best-selling collections is our Diamond Ultra layered in yellow gold. These are just gorgeous, fun pieces, and once again, you know, we're sporting the Pave. This flower is just to die for. It's really a statement piece. All you have to do is wear that, and you are good to go out the door. So there you have it, our fabulous Diamond Ultra collection. So I just wanted to say until next time, from Natalie,
Melissa,
Palm Beach Jewelry, and remember, wait, what's our, I think we're tweeting now. Greg, what's our tweet thing?
PB Jewelry tweets.
Okay, so remember, follow us on Twitter, check us out on Facebook, and check us out at palmbeachjewelry.com. And we also have some fabulous contests, so go ahead and enter them, and you'll win some fabulous prizes.
gotta play to win.